We're a family company, and that drives everything we do. At Twin Eagles, we believe grilling is as much a tradition as it is a technique. We cook up perfection as a leader in creating fine outdoor grills and kitchen equipment with your family in mind. Meet our founder, the visionary behind Twin Eagles, award-winning engineer and designer Dante Cantal. A natural-born inventor, he earned his stellar reputation during 3 decades of perfecting the finest culinary equipment. Dante's passion for precision engineering and premium design is evident in every grill we make, so you can enjoy the best outdoor cooking experience possible. We manufacture Twin Eagles products in the USA at our own state-of-the-art workplace in California. We're proud that our equipment is made by the finest craftspeople in the industry. We achieve our sleek lines and the durability essential for outdoor use by meticulously shaping the highest grade steel by hand. We use next-generation technologies in laser cutting and Heli-arc welding. This precise attention to detail comes together to make the premium quality, high-performance grills and equipment that have garnered us praise, prestige, and what we care about most, happy customers. Twin Eagles grills preheat faster, perform better, and use less gas. Strategically placed ports and ceramic briquettes deliver a balanced mix of direct and radiant heat. Hexagonal grates retain and conduct heat more efficiently, leaving sear marks to make a professional chef proud. Drafting vents draw cool air from the bottom of the firebox for a constant air-to-gas mixture and more efficient flame. Zone dividers allow you to regulate each area at a different temperature and sear in flavor, so your salmon comes off the flame as perfectly done as your kebabs. Architects, interior designers, and discerning backyard chefs appreciate the elegant lines of our premium grills with their exquisite signature geometry and polished accents. At Twin Eagles, we want you to enjoy grilling and spending time together as much as we do, making memories that linger long after the grill cools down. Good times, great grills, that's what we're all about.